Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted a video letting you know that Microsoft had officially confirmed and had started testing the Windows 11 Cloud Rebuild Recovery option in the latest experimental preview build in the Insider program, build 26,300.8772. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information. And just another quick video to let you know about another change that Microsoft has made in the same Insider preview build. Now, in regards to this change, the latest Windows Insider preview build introduces a redesigned account control flyout, which apparently Microsoft says will make it easier for you to view your Microsoft account status, subscription benefits, and available storage directly from the Start menu. Now, currently in the stable version of Windows 11, if we head into our Start menu, click on our profile, this is currently what things look like for that account control flyout. So looking quite legacy in its form factor. Now, if we head over to an image provided from the announcement of the new account control flyout, Microsoft says that it's refreshed it to take on the look and feel more of Windows 11, as we can see. And it has a modern design and a clear subscription badge. So here we can see free Microsoft 365 Family, Xbox Game Pass Premium, 365 Personal, to make the user's account status instantly visible according to the announcement. So that's just basically at a quick glance to see what plan you're on. And according to Microsoft, this helps users easily identify their plan, discover benefits, and explore upgrades. So if we walk through this, you've got your account, you've got a link where you can manage your account, click on that. You've got your different plans, your cloud storage, and you can click on view benefits. So what I think Microsoft is trying to do with this is to provide more informative account cards compared to the existing account control flyout as I demonstrated earlier on. So maybe not the biggest thing to write home about, but nonetheless, if this is something that would interest you, just keeping you guys in the loop. And this is Microsoft, as we have been talking about, who has been steadily refreshing different parts of Windows 11 with modern visuals and improved usability over the last while. And it does seem now that the account control flyout is going to be next on the list, and that's currently in the experimental channel, previously known as the dev channel. So I think that's something we will see roll out with the upcoming annual update, Windows 11 26H2. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.